guys, welcome back to another video. This is another subscription box. This is from Vettsy. This is their mini monthly box. Now this is just a one-off box that I bought to see if I like, and then if I do like it I will sign up to a recurring monthly subscription. So this is their December subscription box. So yeah, let's just get into it and see what we get. Now this is priced at $25, which works out to about £21 in UK money. So the first thing I see is this tool. I believe it's for like rubbing on like powders and pushing down stickers and things of that sort of nature. So very nice and pretty. It's got little pink sparkles. If you can get it out. Very nice. Okay, so the next thing I see is a magnet. So I'm guessing we get a cat eye polish along with a little square thing like Swatch. So we have that. Then the next thing I see here is a silicone mold. Oh, if I can get it out. Oh, look at that. How adorable is that? It is absolutely tiny. Just put my hand underneath it to sort of see if we can get my camera to sort of get it in the way that you can see there. It's got snowflakes. I've never used these kind of molds before, but I will have fun giving it a go. Actually, I'll temporarily move these out of the way because otherwise my camera is going to want to focus on them. So the next thing we have here is a little pot of something. Oh. Not quite sure. So I think it's like some kind of like hollow and you rub it on the nails, I think. I don't know. As I said, I'm new to nails. So the next thing we have here is, it looks like some, sequiny stuff. Take off the tape. Like, I may want to say chunky glitters, but it kind of reminds me more of like confetti, that what you can buy like in the bags, and then you put like on a table and stuff. But there's different sizes there, so actually them little tiny ones could be quite cute for nails. Let's put that on so we don't get it everywhere. And the next thing I see is in a little pouch. These are different types of hollow glitters, I believe. No, we're going to have to open them up to have a look, I think. So in here I can see like stars, moons, and like some little like sun shapes, if my camera wants to focus. There's that one. It's also leaked a bit. I've got it all over my hands. That is fine. Then in here I see like the 4 pointed stars, some mini circles and some love hearts. Then in this one we have 5 pointed stars, love hearts and mini circles. Ooh, then in this one it just looks like all love hearts. Oh no, there's a few tiny stars mixed in, but mostly love hearts. And this one is the stars and moons again. And then this one is just hexagonals. So hexagonals, then two are stars and moons, and then these ones are sort of very similar, but it's fine. They're very, very nice, as you can see. Super sparkly. I do like. Let's move that glitter out of the way. Then the next thing we've got here are what looks like some foils. Now, I do have foil glue coming. I don't have any more foil glue here because in one of my videos I bought one and it leaked everywhere. And I managed to get a tiny bit out to do a nail set with, but I then had to throw it away. So these are quite long and it looks like there are several here. So, woo. Wow, there's lots here. Right, so we will go through them. Oh, look at that. It's got like stars, snowflakes, trees, gingerbread men. Really super nice and holographic. Then the next one, we have got this, and it is just snowflakes. Also hollow. And the next one is sort of like a mix, but it is a little bit different. This has got like, it's in a different style, and there's like snowmen and candy canes and stuff. And then the next one is also like a mix of stuff like deer, flowers, trees. Very nice. And the next one is like snowflakes with foliage. Ooh, and then we have some black ones. So I think we've got the same bit on black. So there's a mixed one in black. Yes, it does look like it. Snowflakes in black. Another mixy matchy one with some bigger stuff on, like these stars and stuff. I'm really liking the hollow on the black. And we've got the one that has like the snowmen. And then the foliage one. So yes, so we do get it in both black and silver. Clear, I mean, black and clear. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so there are 10 sheets of foils altogether. So very, very nice. There is lots of them. I'm just trying to sort of get them to like semi roll up, half tidy, just so I can get them back in the box and yeah, keep them nice and tidy. So the next thing I see are some sequins, but more like silver sequins rather than like the gem sequins. So they're just silver, there's not any like sparkle to them or nothing. So we've got like squares, hearts, bows, butterflies, stars, moons, triangles and some other random shapes there. Very nice, very little and dainty. Then, ooh, we've got stuff in the bottom. I do not know what this is. It's a card. It just says thank you for your purchase, about Vettsy. Yeah, something about Vettsy Club. And yeah, their social media. So next we have some stickers. We have these ones here. It's like white and clear of like a checkered pattern. My camera wants to focus and kind of see them there. And then we have some nice little gold stripes. We also have this little card. Solid gel polish instructions. So we've obviously got some solid gel polish in here. So there's a little instruction card. So yes, here we go, solid gel polishes. There are 2 of them. Let's try and get into them. I'm trying to think, where did I put my scissors? There they are. Trying to open them up. Ooh. So there we go, this is a gold number 98 Reflect On, very nice and sparkly. Ooh. This one kind of looks like a burgundy red. So this one is called Must Stay, number 40. We have a cute little drawstring bag. And the last thing we have got is this Vettsy Soak Off Gel Polish. So I'm thinking this must be the cat eye. Let's open it up. Yeah, so in here, that little square thing is what you do, and then you stick it by there, look. So you know what colour it is. There's no colour in the top. Take that off though and apply it on there. So let's have a look. I didn't look to see if it had a name. That just says 15ml. Oh, at the bottom. There we go. It says C Made 05. Ooh, this is like a purpley pink one. My camera wants to focus. Very nice. So just to, before I swatch these, just to quickly review everything we got in our Vettsy box for $25, or in my case £21. We got this cute little bag. We got this cat eye, 2 solid gel polishes, a magnet, 2 stickers, sequins, a load of foils, a glitter mix, a mini silicone mold, like this hollow stuff, and then there's this sequin mix, and we got this tool. So I think for, yeah, £21 in my money, that is an absolute bargain. I love getting lots of like decoratey stuff in with my boxes, along with my gel polishes. Although to be fair, having this, like this, like, and sort of these is a bit much. I would have preferred maybe, you know, taking out, say, them 2 and having another gel polish, personally. But I really, really like the box, so I'm definitely going to be getting it every month. Yeah, and I'm just going to swatch these colours, and I will be back, guys. So we got these two gel polishes, and this cat eye, which is absolutely stunning. So the first one was this, the Must Stay number 40. Now this is with 2 coats. It is very much a burgundy red, very, very nice, and you don't need 2 coats of this one. 1 coat was most definitely enough to cover everything. Then we have the gold, which is here, with a super fine glitter in it. So this is also 2 coats, which is lovely. And there we go. You can't see my nail underneath it with 2 coats. And then this cat eye. Now I've only got 1 cat eye from a different box, and it was just like, put it over a black and it was like a silvery colour and it just kind of looked just like silver. This one is super cool, so I put it over black, and then you can see where I put the magnet on it, where it's moving, where it's much more concentrated and it's like a silvery lilac, if my camera wants to focus, but it still left this purple hint over the black, and it is absolutely stunning. So there's that one, and I did the little swatch. So I really like these colours, but I must say this one is most definitely my favourite. So yeah, it's just a quick recap of everything we got. We got that little satin bag. And we got these 2 colours and the cat eye. Then on top of all of that, we got 2 lots of stickers. We got an entire box of silver sequins, a silicone mould of snowflakes. We got 10 rolls of nail foil. We got this little box of mixed hollow glitter. We also got this pot of hollow, like flake stuff. I'm going to have a mess about and see how that works. We got this little pot of multicoloured stars, magnet for the cat eye, and we got a ribbon tool, which I believe is like used for this stuff, and you can also use it to push down stickers. And so I think for £21 in UK money, that is an absolute bargain, and I will definitely be getting it again. So I'm going to go off now and order the reoccurring subscription. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Bye.